Unleash the sound with the aowoka Bluetooth speaker, waterproof, portable, and ready to rock. Get ready to experience the ultimate sound system with the aowoka Bluetooth speaker. This portable wireless speaker delivers powerful bass and 24 hours of playtime. Making it perfect for outdoor adventures and parties. Equipped with a high-power full-range driver and a CD grain and metal bass cone, this speaker produces deep and powerful bass, making you feel like you're in the middle of a live music scene. With its IPX7 waterproof and durable design, you can take this speaker anywhere without worrying about the weather. Plus, it supports TWS mode for true wireless stereo sound. The aowoka Bluetooth speaker also features RGB lighting and multiple playback modes, including Bluetooth 5.4, AUX, TF, and SD card. Get ready to elevate your outdoor adventures with this amazing speaker. Don't miss out on the ultimate sound for your outdoor adventures. Get the aowoka Bluetooth speaker and experience the power of sound. Order now and take your music to the next level with the aowoka Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and updates.